Describe the neighborhood you lived in when you were a child. You should say where in your town or city the neighborhood was, what kind of people lived there, and what it was like to live in this neighborhood. And explain whether you would like to live in this neighborhood in the future. Alright, here's a sample answer. When I was a child, I lived in a cozy neighborhood called Kongpich, which was situated on the outskirts of our town. It was a peaceful and close-knit community, nestled amidst lush greenery and rolling hills. The neighborhood primarily consisted of families and retirees, creating a warm and friendly atmosphere. Living in Kongpich was truly a delightful experience. The streets were lined with beautiful, well-maintained houses, each with its own unique charm. The neighborhood had a strong sense of community, and neighbors often engaged in activities together, such as organizing street parties, picnics in the park, and holiday celebrations. One of the standout features of this neighborhood was its emphasis on outdoor spaces. We had numerous parks and playgrounds where children could freely play and explore. Additionally, there were several walking trails that wound through the scenic landscape, providing a perfect setting for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. The residents of Kongpich were diverse yet unified. It was a multicultural neighborhood where people from different backgrounds and cultures coexisted harmoniously. This cultural diversity allowed for a rich exchange of ideas and traditions, fostering an environment of acceptance and understanding. Reflecting on my experiences, I have cherished memories of growing up in Kongpich. The strong community spirit and the safe environment made it an ideal place for a child to thrive. However, as much as I hold dear the memories of my childhood neighborhood, I wouldn't necessarily choose to live there in the future. Although Kongpich offered tranquility and a close community, it lacked certain amenities and opportunities that I seek in my adult life. As I've grown, my preferences and priorities have shifted, and I now gravitate toward more vibrant urban areas with better career prospects and a wider range of cultural activities. So now let's get to the phrases and collocations and their simplified definitions. Cozy neighborhood, a comfortable and pleasant area to live in. Situated on, located on. The outskirts of, the outer edges or boundaries of. Close-knit community, a tightly connected and supportive group of people. Lush greenery, abundant and vibrant green plants. Rolling hills, hills that have gentle, sloping shapes. Creating a warm and friendly atmosphere, making the area feel welcoming and pleasant. A delightful experience, a very enjoyable and positive time. Well-maintained houses, houses that are kept in good condition. Unique charm, special and appealing qualities. Sense of community, feeling of belonging and togetherness. Engaged in activities together, doing things together as a group. Street parties, celebrations held on the street. Picnics in the park, eating meals outdoors in a park. Holiday celebrations, festivities and events during holidays. Standout features, particularly notable aspects or elements. Outdoor spaces, areas outside like parks and gardens. Freely play and explore, play and discover things without restrictions. Walking trails, path for walking or hiking. Wound through, curved and twisted along a path. This is the past form of wind. Scenic landscape, beautiful and picturesque scenery. Perfect setting, ideal environments or surroundings. Outdoor enthusiasts, people who enjoy outdoor activities. Nature lovers, people who have a deep affection for nature. Diverse yet unified, different but together as a whole. A multicultural neighborhood, a place with people from various cultures. Coexisted harmoniously, lived together peacefully and happily. cultural diversity, variety of different cultures, rich exchange of ideas and traditions, sharing and learning from each other's thoughts and customs, fostering an environment of, encouraging and nurturing an atmosphere of, reflecting on, thinking back on, or considering, cherished memories, fond and special recollections, strong community spirit, a powerful sense of unity and togetherness, safe environment, a secure and protected surrounding, an ideal place for, a perfect location for, hold dear the memories of, treasure and value the memories of, offered tranquility, provided peace and calmness, close community, a tightly knit and intimate community, certain amenities and opportunities, specific facilities and chances for progress, preferences and priorities, personal choices and important matters, gravitate toward, be drawn to or inclined towards, vibrant urban areas, energetic and lively city regions, career prospects, opportunities for professional advancement, wider range of, more diverse selection or options, cultural activities, events and experiences related to culture. Alright, I hope you found it useful. Make sure to practice using these phrases regularly to become more comfortable with them. This guide is available for download, so you can keep it handy throughout your practice. Have a nice day.